Kelly Khumalo sues Senzo Meyiwa's mom for burning down her car gift just seconds after she came out of coma. Subscribe to this channel so that you will not miss out on any information. In a shocking move, South African singer Kelly Khumalo has launched legal action against the mother of her late friend Senzo Meyiwa, who was accused of setting the car she gave her on fire shortly after she regained consciousness. Not only does the tragedy reveal the complex and tumultuous relationship between the parties involved, but it also raises questions about grief, societal perceptions, and the impact of the conflict has not yet been resolved. Senzo Meyiwa, the famous goalkeeper for Orlando Pirates and the South African national team, was fatally shot during a robbery at his home in Khumalo in 2014. Their relationship was widely publicized and many times watched by the media and the public. After Meyiwa's death, Khumalo became the focus of investigation and suspicion of her involvement in the events of that fateful night, an investigation that still haunts her. In the years that followed, Khumalo worked hard to advance her life and career, even though the shadow of the tragedy still lingered. Her power has often been challenged by public opinion, which oscillates between support and censure. However, recent developments have brought her back into the spotlight for painful and controversial issues. Khumalo's lawsuit stemmed from a tragic accident that occurred shortly after she emerged from a medically induced coma. Reports surfaced that she had been hospitalized for stress and anxiety-related problems, fueling public speculation. When she was in coma, Khumalo reportedly brought a limousine for Meyiwa's mom as a token of love and remembrance. This move was an attempt to emphasize their relationship and perhaps a way for Khumalo to reassert her message in the midst of public opinion. However, not long after receiving the vehicle, a suspected arson attack changed everything. According to Khumalo, Meyiwa's mother set her car on fire in a fit of rage. Witnesses said the speed of the incident shocked those who witnessed it. Whether out of frustration, anger, or revenge, these actions escalated the tension between the Khumalo and Meyiwa families to a boil. In her lawsuit, Khumalo asked for compensation for damage to the vehicle and emotional distress caused by the accident. Her legal team argued that it was not only a criminal offense but a serious physical attack on her, which aggravated the pain Kelly Khumalo has suffered since his boyfriend's death. Khumalo's legal strategy seems to focus on showing the emotional impact of losing a friend and symbolizing love in a brutal way. The trial also aims to hold Meyiwa's family accountable for what Khumalo called violent acts. The incident attracted media attention and sparked debate about the status of South African women, Meyiwa's legacy, and society's tendency to stigmatize Khumalo. Reactions on social media ranged from support for Khumalo to harsh criticism of her behavior and personality. This complex web of public opinion shows how difficult it is to manage personal disasters in the public eye. Many commentators argue that the trial reflects deeper social problems, such as the stigmatization of women who face violence, especially in elite relationships. Khumalo is often portrayed as the villain in the stories surrounding Meyiwa's death, and it seems that this is becoming more and more the case. Meyiwa's family was shocked and angry. They vehemently denied the allegations, saying that the car was not deliberately set on fire and that everything was done out of frustration and not malice. Ms. Meyiwa said she plans to defend herself in court, stressing the need for healing rather than conflict.